Hi students, last session I have discussed some important synopsis of the complex numbers. Now we move on the exercise problems. First problem, the value of summation of n is equal to 0 to 100 I power n factorial equals where I is equal to square root of minus 1, where I is equal to square root of minus 1. Solution: summation of n is equal to 0 to 100 I power n factorial. Substitute the values of n here. I power 0 factorial plus I power 1 factorial plus I power 2 factorial plus I power 3 factorial plus so on plus I power 100 factorial. So we know that I power, so 0 factorial means 1. So I power 1 I plus I power 1 factorial I. So 1 factorial is 1. I power 2 factorial. 2 into 1. I square value minus 1. Again I cube. I power 3 factorial nothing but 3 into 2 into 1. We are getting 6. So I power 6. So I power 6 nothing but I power 6 plus next I power 4 factorial. I power 24 plus so on plus I power 100 factorial. Here I plus I minus 1 I power 6. So we know the I power 6 I cube or I square whole cube nothing but minus 1 whole cube. So minus 1 whole cube we are getting minus 1. So here also we are getting minus 1 plus here I power 24. The 24 is the multiple of 4. It can be written like this: I power 24 is equal to I power 4 into 6. So already we know that the multiple of I power 4 n is a positive integer. We are getting the value 1. So here 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus so on plus 1. Now here I plus I 2I minus 1 minus 2 plus here they are getting total 100 factor 101 terms is there. So totally 97 terms here. So totally we had 97 terms. So 2I minus 2 plus 97 plus 95. So the option number C is the correct. Option C is correct. 2I plus 95. Next question. Suppose n is a natural number such that modulus of, suppose n is a natural number such we have taken S. So mod S is equal to mod. Suppose n is a natural number such that modulus of I plus 2I square plus 3I cube plus so on plus n into I power n is equal to 18 square root of 2. Here, so modulus of I plus 2I square plus 3I cube plus so on plus n into I power n is equal to, we have taken modulus 18 square root of 2. It we have taken, so here we have taken mod S is equal like this: I plus 2I, okay, let S is equal to, we have let S is equal to I plus 2I square plus 3I cube plus so on plus n into I power n. So I into s, is the multiply I into s, I into I square value minus 1. So it convert in GP form, we have to multiply I into s. So I into I square plus 2I cube plus and so on plus I n into I power n plus 1. So we subtract s2 minus, subtracting both, so we get minus 1 minus. Here s minus is is equal to I 2I square minus I square plus I square plus I cube plus so on plus n into I power n minus n into I power n plus 1. We have take common s here, remaining what we get, 1 minus I is equal to 1I plus I square plus I cube plus so on plus n into I power n minus n into I power n plus 1. Here a into it is the form of, consider it is the form of GP. So a value I, R value, the common value also I. Okay. Now I have to apply the GP form. So s into 1 minus I is equal to a into a value 1, sorry not a value 1, it is in GP. So the a value, first time I, a common ratio I. So we know that sum of 2 point in terms of GP, Sn is equal to a into 1 minus r power n divided by 1 minus r. A value I into 1 minus I power n by 1 minus I minus n into I power n plus 1. So you multiply I, so what we get, I minus I power n plus 1 divided by 1 minus I minus n into, sorry, n I power n plus 1. So s to 1 minus I. Here now take LCM, 1 minus I. Now taking LCM 1 minus I, remaining I minus I power n plus 1 minus 1 minus I into n into I power n plus 1. Here s into 1 minus I is equal to I minus I power n plus 1 multiplied here minus 1 into, so minus of n into I power n plus 1 minus plus plus n into I power n plus 2 whole divided by 1 minus I. So s is equal to I minus I power n plus 1 minus n into I power n plus 1 plus n into I power n plus 2 whole divided by, so 1 minus I whole square. So they have given the value, we have to find the modulus of this one, the modulus. So modulus of s is equal to modulus of I minus I power n plus 1 minus n into I power n plus 1 plus n into I power n plus 2 whole divided by 1 minus I whole square. Now here by substituting the value I minus I power n plus 1 minus n into I power n plus 1 plus n into I power n plus 2. So, the modulus of 1 minus I is square root of 1 square plus 1 square. The square root of 2, but its square is there. So, modulus of square means square root of 2 whole square, square root get cancelled, remaining what we get here? 2 only. By verification method, by use the option C, n is equal to 36. In this method we have to verify it here. To put n is equal to 36. Already they given the modulus of S. What they get? 18 root 2. So we have to prove LHS is equal to RHS. So modulus of S is equal to 18 root 2 is equal to n value, modulus of n value I minus I power n value 36 plus 1 means 37 minus 36 into I power 37 plus 36 into I power n value 36 plus 2 38 divided by 2. So, modulus of I minus I power 37. I have taken I power 37, I power 36 into I. So, I power 36 value multiple of 4, I power 36 value 1. So, remaining 1 into I have taken I minus 36 I plus 36 I power 38. So, here also I power 36 into I power 2. So, what we get the value? So, I power 38, I power 36 into I square. So, I power 36 value 1, I square value minus 1, 1 into minus 1 minus 1. So, remaining 36 into minus 1, what we get? Minus 36 by 2. Plus sign, minus I get cancelled. So, remaining what? So, here modulus of, I have take common 36. So, remaining what we get? I have take common 36, remaining minus I minus 1 divided by 2. The modulus of minus I minus 1. So, 36, the modulus of minus 1 minus we have to write square root of 1 square plus 1 square, we are taking square root of 2 divided by 2. 2 ones are 2 18. What we get? Remaining 18 root 2. Therefore, LHS is equal to RHS. The option C is correct. Option C is this question. For any three complex numbers Z1, Z2, Z3, if delta is equal to, so it indicates determinant of, so this concept discussed in second year. So determinant of 1 Z1 bar 1 Z2 bar 1 Z3 bar. For any three complex numbers. Okay. Here, so determinant of expanding along is a column by C1, C2, C3. Expanding along C1, 1 into first column, first digit remaining Z2 into Z3 bar minus. So, multiply Z2 Z3 plus Z3 into here minus Z3 into Z2 bar minus of, here the sign plus minus of 1 into first column second digit remaining Z1 into Z3 bar minus Z3 into Z1 bar plus 1 into So first column, third row deleted, remaining Z1 into Z2 bar minus Z2 into Z1 bar. So already we know that Z1 into Z2 bar minus Z1 bar into Z2 is equal to 2 times of imaginary part of Z1 into Z2 bar. So now you know that this concept. So in real part also Z1 plus in Z1 into Z2 bar plus Z1 bar into Z2, here 2 into real part of Z1 into Z2 bar. So here what we get here, delta is equal to, so 2 into imaginary part of Z2 into Z3 bar minus 2 into imaginary part of Z1 into Z3 bar plus 2 into imaginary part of Z1 into Z2 bar. So here only we are getting imaginary parts only, but here real parts is 0. Therefore here the real part of delta is 0. So that the option C is the correct option. The real part of Z is always 0. Therefore option C is correct. Next question. Question number 4. If x plus iy is equal to 3 divided by 2 plus cos theta plus I sin theta, then x square plus y square is equal to, find x square plus y square is equal to, have to find. Here solution, x plus the given x plus iy is equal to 3 divided by 2 plus cos theta plus I sin theta. Here rationalize here. So 2 plus cos theta minus I sin theta whole divided by 2 plus cos theta minus I sin theta. 3 into multiply 3 into 2 plus cos theta minus I sin theta whole divided by, here a plus b into a minus b. So a value 2 plus cos theta, b value sin theta, it will be written as 2 plus cos theta whole square minus I square value, okay, minus I sin theta whole square. So multiplied here, 3 to the 6 plus 3 cos theta minus I into 3 sin theta whole divided by, expanding a plus b whole square form here, a value 2, b value cos theta. So a square, a plus b whole square formula, a square plus b square plus 2ab, a square 2 square 4 plus cos square theta plus 2ab, 2 to the 4 into cos theta, 4 cos theta. So I square value minus 1, minus into minus plus sin square theta. Here 6 plus 3 cos theta minus I into 3 sin theta whole divided by 4 plus cos square theta plus sin square theta value 1 plus 4 cos theta. Oh, 6 plus 3 cos theta minus I3 sin theta all divided by 4 plus 1, 5 plus 4 cos theta. So here 6 plus 3 cos theta divided by 5 plus 4 cos theta minus I into 3 sin theta all divided by 5 plus 4 cos theta. We are comparing here in terms of x plus iy or a plus ib. Both are same here. Comparing x plus iy. So x value. Comparing here x plus iv form. X value 6 plus 3 cos theta divided by 5 plus 4 cos theta. Y value minus 3 sin theta divided by 5 plus 4 cos. Here we have to comparing x plus iy, x value and y value. I am comparing here like this, x plus iy, x value 6 plus 3 cos theta by 5 plus 4 cos theta. Y value here plus is there, so minus of 3 sin theta divided by 5 plus 4 cos theta. Then we have to find x square plus y square. We have to x square plus y square. X square plus y square. X value is 6 plus 3 cos theta whole square all divided by 5 plus 4 cos theta whole square plus y value minus 3 sin theta whole square all divided by 5 plus 4 cos theta whole square. Here you take common 1 by 5 plus 4 cos theta whole square. Whole square remaining expanding it by applying a plus b whole square formula. 6 square means a square, 6 square means 36 plus b square, b value 3 cos theta, b square means 9 cos square theta plus 2ab, 6 to the 12 3 the 36 cos theta plus minus 3 sin theta whole square means 9 sin square theta. Here 1 divided by 5 plus 4 cos theta whole square 36 plus I take common here 9, here 9 cos square theta plus 9 sin square theta. I take common 9 remaining cos square theta plus sin square theta plus 36 cos theta. Here cos square theta plus sin square theta value 1, so remain 1 divided by 5 plus 4 cos theta whole square 36 plus 9 plus 36 cos theta. Here 36 plus 9, 1 divided by 5 plus 4 cos theta whole square in 36 plus 9, 45 plus 36 cos theta. Here 1 divided by 5 plus 4 cos theta whole square. So then here we have to take common 9. Remaining what we get? 5 plus 4 cos theta. Square and 5 plus 4 cos theta cancel. Remaining 9 divided by 5 plus 4 cos theta. But here, so the options in terms of x, here we have to adding and subtracting 3. So plus 3 and minus 3. So here in this we have to take LCM 5 plus 4 cos theta. So remaining 9 plus 3 into 5 plus, okay. Let it write directly, right? 3 5 the 15 plus 3 4 the 12 cos theta minus 3. We are 9 plus 5. 24 plus 12 cos theta divided by 5 plus 4 cos theta minus 3. So here we have to take common 4, we have to take common here. So remaining 6 plus 3 cos theta whole divided by 5 plus 4 cos theta minus 3. So up to the value 6 plus 3 cos theta by 5 plus 4 cos theta is the x. It will return a 4 into x minus 3. So the value should be 4x minus 3. The option B is the correct. Option B is correct answer. Question number 5. The real part of 1 minus cos theta plus 2i sin theta whole inverse is. So already we know that the z inverse, the value of z inverse should be 1 by z. The real part of 1 minus cos theta plus 2i sin theta whole inverse. Here 1 minus cos theta plus 2i sin theta whole inverse. It can be written as 1 divided by 1 minus cos theta. Let we have taken this z is equal to like this. 1 divided by 1 minus cos theta plus 2i sin theta. So rationalize here 1 divided by 1 minus cos theta plus 2i sin theta. So rationalize 1 minus cos theta minus 2i sin theta whole divided by 1 minus cos theta minus 2i sin theta. Here multiplied 1 minus cos theta minus I into 2 sin theta divided by a plus b into a minus b. A value 1 minus cos theta, b value 2 sin theta. 1 minus cos theta whole square plus, so I square value minus 1 minus 3 minus plus 4 sin square theta. But here the real part of z, the real part of the complex number, then we have taken z, z is the 1 minus cos theta plus 2i sin theta whole inverse. The real part of z, the real part of z okay, the real part of z is equal to 1 minus cos theta whole divided by 1 minus cos theta whole square plus 4 sin square theta. It is purely real, the imaginary part should be 0, then real part only here 1 minus cos theta divided by 1 minus cos theta whole square plus 4 sin square theta. Here 1 minus cos theta whole divided by 1 minus cos theta whole square plus 4 into sin square value 1 minus cos square theta. So 4 into 1 minus cos square theta. It is a form of a square minus b square. So 1 value 1 square means same 1. Here 1 minus cos theta divided by 1 minus cos theta whole square plus 4 into 1 minus cos theta into 1 plus cos theta. Here we have to take common 1 minus cos theta. 1 minus cos theta whole divided by 1, we have to take common 1 minus cos theta, remaining 1 minus cos theta plus 4 into 1 plus cos theta. Here 1 minus cos theta, 1 minus cos theta get cancelled, remaining 1 divided by 1 minus cos theta plus 4 into 1, 4 plus 4 into cos theta, 4 cos theta divided by 1 plus 4, 5 minus cos theta plus 4 cos theta minus plus 3 cos theta. Here the option B is the correct answer. Option B is the correct answer. Next question number 6. Z into 1 plus A is equal to B plus IC and A square plus B square plus C square is equal to 1, then 1 plus IZ divided by 1 minus IZ is equal to. A solution. So Z is equal to, we have taken Z, they are given Z into 1 plus A is equal to B plus IC, A square plus B square plus C square. Z is equal to B plus IC divided by 1 plus A. We have to find 1 plus IZ divided by 1 minus IZ is equal to 1 plus I into IB plus I into I square directly minus C by 1 plus, so we have taken that IB minus C divided by 1 plus A, 1 minus IB minus I square value plus 1 plus C divided by 1 plus A. In both numerator and denominator the common is same 1 plus A. We have to take LCM 1 plus A plus IB minus C, both numerator and denominator cancel, we have to common factor. So here remaining 1 plus A minus IB plus C. Now 1 plus A minus C plus IB divided by 1 plus A plus C minus IB. Now we are rationalized here 1 plus A minus C plus IB whole divided by 1 plus IB into rationality here 1 plus A plus C plus IB by 1 plus A plus C plus IB. One into one multiplied here 1 into 1 1 plus 1 into A plus 1 into C plus 1 into IB plus IB with A multiple plus A into 1 A plus A into A plus A square plus A into C plus AC plus A into B plus I into AB. Okay, we have to multiply minus C into 1 minus C into A minus AC minus c into minus plus c minus c square minus c into plus ib minus ibc. Next we multiply ib into 1 ib plus ib into a iab plus I into IBC plus IB into IB minus B square, because I square value minus 1, B into B square whole divided by, so it is a form of A minus B into A plus B, so 1 plus A plus C whole square minus IB whole square minus of minus 1 plus B square. I square value minus 1 plus B square. Here plus C minus C get cancelled, plus CAC minus CC get cancelled, minus IBC plus IBC get cancelled, remaining 1 plus, okay, in place of 1 already they are given A square plus B square plus C square, we can directly A square plus B square plus C square, here A plus 2A, IB plus IB plus I into 2B plus A square minus C square minus B square. So in place of 1 we have taken A square plus B square plus C square plus A plus A 2A plus IAB plus IAB I into 2AB plus IB plus IB 2I into 2B plus A square minus C square minus B square whole divided by A plus B plus C whole square formula. So A square 1 plus A square plus C square plus 2AB 2 into 1 into A 2A plus 2BC 2AC plus 2C into 1 2C plus B square. Here plus C square minus C square get cancelled plus B square minus B square get cancelled. So remaining A square plus A square 2A square plus 2A plus I into 2B plus I into 2AB whole divided by. So already we know that the value A square plus B square plus C square what they given 1. So 1 plus 1 we have taken 2 plus 2A plus 2AC plus 2C. So here now take common 2A, remaining what we get A plus 1. Here in two terms we have take common 2A, remaining A plus 1 plus here we have take common 2IB. We take common 2IB, remaining A plus 1 whole divided by, here we take common 2, remaining 1 plus A or A plus 1 both are same, plus here we have take common 2C, remaining A plus 1. Now here we take common A plus 1, remaining 2A plus I into 2B, so 2IB whole divided by, here also A plus 1 get common, remaining 2 plus 2C. Now here A plus 1 get cancelled. Now here we take common 2, remaining A plus IB by, take common 2, remaining 1 plus C. 2 get cancelled, remaining A plus IB whole divided by 1 plus C. So here option number A is correct. Therefore option A is correct answer. This question number 7. If A square plus B square is equal to 1, then 1 plus B plus 1 plus B plus IA divided by 1 plus b minus ia. Here 1 plus b plus ia whole divided by 1 plus b minus ia into rationalize here 1 plus b plus ia whole divided by 1 plus b plus ia. So here 1 into we have taken directly 1 plus b plus ia whole square divided by 1 plus b whole square my plus a square. Here a plus b plus c whole square formula a square 1 plus b square plus c square. So I square value minus 1 minus a square plus 2ab 2 into 1 into b 2b plus 2bc I into 2ab plus I into 2a whole divided by 1 plus b square plus 2b plus a square. Substitute in place of 1 value they given a square plus b square is equal to 1 a square plus b square plus b square minus a square plus 2b plus I into 2ab plus I into 2a whole divided by 1 plus we have to b square plus a square already they are given the value 1. So 1 plus 1 we have 2 plus 2b. Here a square get cancelled remaining b square plus b square 2b square plus 2b plus I into 2ab plus I into 2a whole divided by we take common 2 here remaining 1 plus b. So in numerator we have take common here do 2b remaining b plus 1 plus here we take common I into 2a remaining b plus 1 whole divided by 2 into 1 plus b plus 1. In numerator take common 2 into b plus 1 common. What we get 2 into b plus 1 so remaining only b plus ia whole divided by 2 into b plus 1. So 2 into b plus 1 2 into b plus 1 get cancelled remaining b plus ia. So the option C is the correct option. Option C is correct answer. This question number 8. If a plus ib is equal to c plus I divided by c minus I, where c is the real, then b by a is. Here a plus ib is equal to c plus I divided by c minus I. Rationalize here c plus I divided by c plus I. So c plus I whole square whole divided by a minus b into a plus b c square minus I square value minus 1 you have taken c square plus 1. So a plus b whole square form c square plus I square you take directly the I square value minus 1 plus 2ic whole divided by c square plus 1. Here c square minus 1 divided by c square plus 1 plus I into 2c divided by c square plus 1. So here comparing a value c square minus 1 by c square plus 1 and b value 2c divided by c square plus 1. Then we have to find here b by a. So b value 2c divided by c square plus 1 whole divided by c square minus 1 divided by c square plus 1. So c square plus 1 by c square plus 1 get cancelled, remaining 2c divided by c square minus 1. The option B is the correct option. Option B is correct option. So question number 9. If a complex number z and its conjugate z bar satisfy, so here z bar, so not a z bar, a modulus of z bar square. So modulus of z bar square, correct the question. So modulus of z bar square plus 2i z plus z bar is equal to 12 plus 8i, then value of z is. Then the value of z is. Here, how do we know that z is equal to x plus iy? So we have taken let z is equal to x plus iy or a plus I, both are same. X plus iy be a complex number, then modulus of z square, already modulus of z bar means x minus iy. So modulus of z bar square root of x square plus y square. So modulus of z square nothing but x square plus y square here. So modulus of z square plus 2i into z plus z bar is equal to 12 plus 8i they given. So modulus z square x square plus y square plus, so one formula is there, z plus z bar is the 2 into real part of z, but here real part is x. So here 2i into 2 into real part should be x, and we know that z plus z bar is equal to 2 into real part of z. So here real part x, 2 into 2x is equal to 12 plus 8i. Here x square plus y square plus 2i into 2x, I into 4x is equal to 12 plus 8i. So comparing here real parts and imaginary parts, but we get x square plus y square is equal to 12, 4x is equal to 8, but x is equal to 2. So here x square, we have taken equation number 1, from 1 becomes, so x square, x value 2 square plus y square is equal to 12. So 4 plus y square is equal to 12, y square is equal to 12 minus 4, 8, y is equal to plus or minus 2 root. So here we want the value of z, but z is equal to what here, x plus iy, but x value here 2 plus y value plus or minus I into 2 root 2. Here option B is the correct option. The correct option B. Question number 10. If square root of x plus iy is equal to plus or minus a plus ib, then square root of minus x minus iy is equals to, the solution, square root of x, we have directly squaring on both sides. So what we get, x plus iy is equal to, so a plus ib whole square, squaring on both sides, x plus iy is equal to a plus b whole square formula is a square plus I square b square, I square value minus 1 minus b square plus I into 2ab. So comparing real part and imaginary part here, x is equal to a square minus b square, y is equal to 2ab. So here square root of minus x minus iy, we have to want the value. So square root of minus of, okay, minus a square plus b square, multiply directly, minus 2ab. I into I divided by square root of b square minus a square minus I into 2ab. So here eliminate the square root of, so b square minus a square minus I into 2ab, but here b square plus here a square ia whole square, because the I square value minus we are getting same thing, minus I into 2ab. It is a form of a square plus b square minus 2ab. So it can be written as square root of b minus ia whole square. So eliminating square root, get cancelled. We are getting plus or minus b minus ia. Here the option C is the correct option. Next question, if Z1 and Z2 are unimodular complex numbers that satisfies Z1 square plus Z2 square, question number 11, that satisfies Z1 square plus Z2 square is equal to 4, then the value of Z here, so let Z1 and Z2 are unimodular, then modulus of Z1 is equal to modulus of Z2 is equal to 1. So it is a condition of the unimodular. But here Z square, Z1 square plus Z2 square is equal to 4, then the conjugate is also same. Then Z1 bar square plus Z2 bar square is equal to 4. But here what is given? Z1 square, Z1 plus Z1 bar whole square plus Z2 plus Z2 bar whole square whole divided by 2 is here. So Z1 square plus Z1 bar square, you are applying a plus b whole square formula, plus 2 into Z1 into Z1 bar plus here Z2 square plus Z2 bar whole square plus 2 into Z1 into Z2 bar, 2 into Z2 into, sorry, 2 into Z2 into Z2 bar whole divided by 2. But here, so already they are given Z1 square plus Z2 square is equal to 4, I write directly, plus 2 into, already we know that Z into Z bar is equal to modulus of Z square. So already we know that the condition. So 2 into here, so Z1 square plus Z2 square value 4 plus Z1 bar square plus Z2 bar square value also 4 plus 2 into, already we know that the condition 2 into Z into Z bar is equal to modulus of Z square, and 2 into modulus of Z. So already we know that the condition unimodular mod of Z1 whole square plus 2 into mod of Z2 whole square whole divided by 2, at 4 plus 2 into, you know the condition unimodular modulus of Z1 is equal to modulus of Z2 is equal to 1. So 2 into 1 square value 1 plus 2 into, here also 1 square value 1 divided by 2. The 4 plus 4 8, 2 ones are 2 plus 2 4, 8 plus 4 12 divided by 2, 2 ones are 2 6. So here the option C is wrong, but here to change the option C, 6 C value, the option C changes the 6, here option C is the correct. Okay, remaining problems we will do the next session.